Most people see big name creators and think that you need like thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of subscribers to make any kind of decent amount of money. Well, I'm about to annihilate that ideology. I stumbled upon a YouTube channel with only 315 subscribers and 30 videos. And honestly, the videos are not very good at all. And despite that, their little SaaS product is making probably $5,000 to $6,000 recurring every month. The company is called Converts, and they make free Chrome extensions that basically allow you to scrape data from just about any page. They have a lot of different Chrome extensions, but we're just going to look at one and see the revenue that I think they're making from just one of the many Chrome extensions that they have. And the one we're going to look at is the Instagram email extractor and scraper. Now, I honestly wish I could over-engineer this and, make it overly complicated. Me being an engineer, of course, I like to do that. But honestly, what they did here is incredibly straightforward and just very easy to do something very similar and get similar results. So all that they've done here is they recorded a video that, again, not very good. It's like 1 minute long, and they posted it on YouTube. Now, the reason I say this video is not very good is because there's literally no audio on it. It's literally just a video that's just a screen share of I assume the founder using the tool. And that's literally it. There's no audio, there's no voiceover, there's no music, there's no nothing. So it's really not like that good of a video, and it wouldn't be hard to just make a video like this. It would literally take you like 2 minutes to make a video like this. Now, because I think this product hits a real problem in this niche, their video did go, well, I won't even say viral, but it got like 19,000 views. Not a ton of views, right? Like 10,000, tens of thousands. And this is, by the way, their most viewed video. If I look at popular, it's their most viewed video. The rest of them have typically less than 10,000 views. And so what happens here is, 20,000 people come watch this video, and then a few thousand of those people go and get the Chrome extension. And we can see that if we go to the Chrome extension page, we can see it's got 3,000 plus users. So you make a video about your tool and you could get thousands of free users. Now, this again is a free Chrome extension, okay? But here's where the money is. The free version of this extension is incredibly limited, and you can only get like 20 or something emails per day or whatever. And so what they have is they have a pro version, which you already know, $20 a month, and gives you unlimited emails, whereas the free version, you can only do 30. So they have a limited Chrome extension that's free that you download and you plug into your browser. And then if you need more than 30, which most people that are scraping anything are going to want more than 30. And so you could pay $20 a month and you get the Pro Unlimited version. Now, even if just a few percent of the people that are on the free version of the extension actually buy and go into the Pro version, you're looking at least a couple $1,000s in MRR just from one of these Chrome extensions. And they've got, a whole slew of Chrome extensions. So they could be making thousands of dollars per month from each of them, or at the very least, this one, which seems to be the most popular, is making them at least a couple $1,000s a month in recurring revenue. Now, one might say, oh, they just got lucky. They got a bunch of views. That's not easily replicatable, right? They went viral. First off, going viral is a lot more views than 20,000. But honestly, if you nail the niche really well and you present it in a way in front of the market that is enticing, people will watch the content. Like if it's useful and helpful and you've built something that's actually meaningful and can help people do something they're trying to do, then people will watch the content and they'll use the tool. Problem is, most founders spend more time building their product than actually spreading the word about their product, getting it in front of the niche and in front of the people that actually might want to buy it. And they have 30 videos, and some of their videos don't have very many views at all. Like when I first started this channel that you're watching right now, I had like 30 or 40 videos that had basically no views. But then one of those videos did well and got like 100,000 views and tens of thousands of subscribers. And all the other videos that I'd done also got more views because people would come watch the first video and then they'd be like, oh, I like this content. It's pretty helpful and useful. I'm going to watch all the other videos that this person's made. So it really only takes one piece of content for your entire business to skyrocket. Now, this reminds me of Russell Brunson and his one funnel away thing, where he's like, your business is only one funnel away from $1 million. Except I think about it in terms of content, like you're only one really good piece of content away from blowing up your business. And I guess at the end of the day, your content is technically part of your overall sales funnel. So, creating a product that a niche really wants and then using valuable and useful content to promote it does extremely well. This is how I've grown almost every business that I've ever started, is by just making useful content around and towards the product. But it really boils down to knowing the niche. If you don't know your niche, then the product and offer are going to miss the mark. They're not going to land and you won't get any sales. Or honestly, worse than that, you will get some sales. You get a few sales, and that will lead to a false sense of success, because maybe you got a few sales, but you didn't get enough to really justify that the product and offer was well positioned. And so then you're going to think, oh, I've made a few sales. This is doing great. When in reality, it's doing poorly. And then you'll spend hundreds or even thousands of hours working on the product to make the product better. And you'll have to claw and scratch and bite and gnaw, work so hard to get every single customer that you acquire. And honestly, I would rather have a dead on arrival offer than an offer that kind of does somewhat well and then makes you really think, well, maybe it could be good. And honestly, it's pretty hard to tell sometimes if a product is doing really good or if it's doing okay or if it's doing bad. The thing is, if your product is obviously hitting the mark, like you've hit product market fit, like you will know, because people will be coming to you to buy the product all the time. Marketing will not be a problem. And so it's about positioning an offer correctly and knowing the niche well enough to know exactly what offer is going to work really well. So at the end of the day, make sure you know your niche really well. That is all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.